The closer's formula. This is the one that actually changed my life. So the closer's formula, RJ Bates III, he uses it. He's closed 8,000 deals in 4 universes, and he just keeps going. This is the blueprint of my business, and it's 5 simple steps. Step one, we're going to ask the seller, are they looking to sell? Once they say yes, we go to step two. We ask them what they're looking to get. What's the price? And they're going to think about it, but usually they're going to give you a price. Once we get the price, we go to step three, and that is asking an open-ended question up front. It's just tell me a little bit about what you got going on. The seller could take this anywhere they want. They could go with the house. They could go with their personal life. They could go anywhere with it, and that's the point here. Because in step three, we're going to dive deeper and deeper into that motivation. Step four, that is comping and underwriting. So figuring out the numbers. But don't get lost in the sauce and be comping when the seller's talking about motivation. So when they're talking about motivation, we're not comping. We're just sitting there, we're listening, we're looking for our next question. If they're talking about it's a 3-2 with green paint, at that point, we can start comping. Next, step five. This will be the kill shot, and you're wanting to build what RJ calls reverse rapport. If we agree to a price, I'm going to shoot you over a simple 3-page agreement. Once you sign it, it'll automatically come back over to me. Then from there, I'm going to need you to send me pictures. From there, we're going to figure out a good time for us to come out and check the property out. We're going to come out, check it out, make sure it is as you say it is. We don't come across anything crazy. Then from there, we're going into the actual kill shot of, with all that being said, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, if I were to cover all of the closing costs and there's no commissions, and I put in here and take care of XYZ, enter motivation right there to remind them, then what's the best price that you can do for me? And then we're going to be quiet, and we're going to get into this silence a little later, but we're just doing the framework. That's the kill shot. From there, that'll usually get us some sort of price drop, and then that is the framework of the King Closers formula.